Okay, I am below the Plunge Basin trail, and one of the things I wanted to check out while I was down here was part of the Ultimate Hiker's Guide to the Linville Gorge hiking circuit. One of the questions we wanted to look at in here was this section right here, Plunge Basin Gulf Branch Connector. And Phil describes it as, this is an absolutely amazing river walk with a 50-50 mix of trail skipping and rock hopping bonanza. So, this is an attempt to get an idea of what it looks like down here. And it certainly looks like a rock hopping bonanza. I will very much look forward to doing this route eventually. Here's where it comes in off the Plunge Basin Trail. Short rock hop up, and then further down the river.